Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a photo in your Brevo emails. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account. And to show you how to add an image in your Brevo emails, I will create a new campaign, which is email, of course. I will call it, for example, photo tutorial email. Click on create. I will select the sender to this test email list for the subject. This is my photo tutorial email subject line. Click on save. Now let's design my email. I will go with this simple template. I always recommend you to go with a text-based email template to have high chances of landing your emails in the inbox and not in the spam folder. Because if an email provider like Gmail sees that you use lots of banners, buttons, and keywords like buy now, checkout, or buy, add to the cart, or keywords like this, all of those factors may trigger the spam filter and your email will land on the spam folder. Okay, to add a photo to your email, simply close this and look for the image block and drag and drop it here. If for example all of your message uses one block like this, and you can't add your image or photo inside your email, add it below, and then I will delete this, and then add another text block below the photo, and then copy your message, cut, and then place it here just like that. And now let's insert my photo. Click on replace, then upload. Let's look for a photo from let's use this photo as an example. Click on insert, or yes, insert, and as you see, my image is added. You can add a link to this image. Just paste it here in the link target. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Just paste it here in the link target, and of course you can edit the layout of this photo. Let's go with 50%. And of course you can edit this image size from here. You can align it in the corners. For the spacing, you can add spacing and padding like this. And for the content, you can even display or show this image only on desktop only on mobile, or add a condition from here. In my case, I will show it on all devices. Now click on save and quit in order to send this campaign and see my email. Schedule, send now, and let's send, or let's see how my photo inside my Brevo email will look like. As you see, the email message was received in the spam folder. I'm not sure why. I think the image. Let's call it not spam and open it another time. As you see, the image, I think the image triggered the spam filter. Why? Because I've already, as I record tutorials, I've sent messages from using the same method just 9 minutes ago, and it was received in the inbox. Same thing for this email, for this message. I think, oh yes, this message, this is not a photo, this is a YouTube embedded video embedded in my message. Same thing, it was received in the inbox and not in the spam. So I think this photo triggered or enabled the spam filter. Okay, that's all for it. And this is how to add a photo in your Brevo emails. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.